like their hair's on fire, racing to the finish, but they're just getting tired. Social media screaming, hustle, grind, don't sleep, but I'm taking my sweet time. My pace runs deep. They say time is money, gotta maximize the day, but what's the point of living if you're running life away? I used to be like them, anxiety and stress. Now I walk my own path, couldn't care less. Slow down, look around. Life's beauty can be found at my own pace, on my own ground. My own pace, no race to run, no finish line to chase. Taking time to smile, to breathe, to feel alive. Life's a journey, not a sprint to first place. My own pace, life's a journey, not a sprint to first place. And it feels amazing. Pace, 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 slow it down. Pace, 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 feel it now. Yeah. Morning coffee ritual, I don't scroll my phone. Sunset walks alone in my comfort zone. They're building empires, climbing corporate stairs. I'm building peace of mind, that's a millionaire. Success isn't measured by how fast you climb, it's measured by the joy you find along the climb. Some call me lazy, some say I'm too slow, but I'm the happiest I've ever been, just so you know. Slow down, look around. Wisdom can be found at my own pace, my sacred ground. My own pace, no race to run, no finish line to chase. My own pace, taking time to smile, to breathe, to feel alive. My own pace, life's a journey, not a sprint to first place. My own pace, life's a journey, not a sprint to first place. My own pace, and it feels so good. Let me tell you something about this fast life. Faster doesn't mean better. Busy doesn't mean productive. Slow is the new fast. I'm not late, I'm deliberate. I'm not lazy, I'm intentional. I'm not slow, I'm savoring. This is my pace. My own pace, no race to run, no finish line to chase. Taking time to smile, to breathe, to feel alive. It's a journey, not a sprint to
3 ตัว1,700นะคะนาวหอมเด้ง